Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. I have another video for you guys today, and what I'm gonna be working on today is the 93 GMC Sierra, my OBS over here. And if you guys watched the video where I did the 5.7 drop, I didn't replace the rear shocks, thinking that it was gonna be okay, but obviously it's not, because what I have on in the back now is I have the stock length shocks in the back, so they're bottoming out. Every bump or every dip I take when I'm driving around, the shocks are just too long for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace those with Belltech, what are those? Belltech Nitro shocks. I'm gonna show you what I have on the table now. I'm gonna replace the stock ones with those. So let's open up the box and see what they look like. These are the Nitro Drop 2 shocks. So let's get one out of the box and then see what they look like. These are the Belltech Nitro Drop 2, and these are the ones the ones that's supposed to work for my drop 5.7. A lot of people are using this, so let's take a look. Comes with the thank you for your purchase card and installation guide. And these are the shocks right here. Nothing else is in here. Okay. Nothing special. I think they're just a lot shorter than the stocks, and these are supposed to help me with the problem I have bottoming out, the ones I have on there now. So let's go ahead and get the truck in the air, and let's put these on. All right, guys, so this is what we have down here. This is the stock shock over here. I'm gonna replace that. 13 millimeter nuts and bolts up on top. And I believe the bottom one, it's gonna be a 21 millimeter socket with 18 millimeter on the bolt here. So I'm taking both of these off, this one and the one on the other side, and I'm gonna show you the comparison between the stock shock and what's gonna be coming in here. All right, so let's get these off. There it is. That top one is a little, the one on this side is a little tricky to get to, but it's alright, I got it. Okay, first nut's out. And then I'll take this one off as well. Okay. And I'm gonna release this one here. Take this one off first before I get it off of there. Here it is, guys. I'm gonna show you what the difference is between this one and the other one. I'm gonna leave those in there. I don't need to take those out. Alright guys, so this is a side-by-side comparison from the old stock style shock to the Nitro Drop 2 I'm gonna be putting in. This is roughly an estimate of how much longer the stock is. Of course, this one's fully extended all the way out, and this one here, it's I want to say halfway out. So this bottom bolt hole is going to end up about right here. So this original style shock is about 6 to 8 inches longer probably. I think this is gonna solve my problem. I don't think this is gonna be, the truck's gonna be bottoming out anymore, but we'll see. We're gonna go ahead and put them on and give it a test drive. All right, so let's get them installed. And there it is, guys. There's the first one. The first one is in, and it fits perfect. I have enough clearance here between my exhaust and the shock. And it looks really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the other one. Once I'm done and the truck is on the ground, I'm gonna bring you guys back and show you what the truck looks like. All right, guys, both shocks are installed. The fitment is perfect. It's just a little tricky to get the top nuts started here, but other than that, it's done. I'm gonna drop it on the ground, and hopefully this is gonna solve my problem. All right, so let's get it off the jacks and give it a test. All right, guys, and there you guys have it. Just another tiny mod to the truck, but that mod was really needed. Now, like I mentioned before, I probably did, but now I need to fix the exhaust. The arch going above the rear diff, the differential. Now, since it's way lower than before, that is way too close. It's way too close. I don't have enough gap between the differential and that curb on top of the exhaust. I would do it myself, but I'd rather take it to a muffler shop and get it done professionally. Right now, the shocks are installed. They worked really well. The fitment is great. I ordered these. I ordered the shocks straight from Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link to the part number and to that item. If you want to get yourself another one of those shocks, you can click on that link and get it from Amazon. Took about 3 days, 4 days to get them, so not bad. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and if you have any questions, just let me know. If I have the answer, I'll help you out. Okay, until the next one, I'll be signing off. Peace out.